Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nidhi Pandey, and finally the result of foundation and intermediate came out. So congratulations to all of them whosoever came out from their first level, means foundation to intermediate, or congratulations to all those students who being the part of CA finalist or half CA finalist, right? So yes everyone, I hope you will clear this, if not this time, next time for sure. And if you cleared, so congratulations to all of you. Don't be harassed if those people didn't qualify or didn't successful in this attempt. Please go ahead with next attempt, and I hope this attempt was very blissful. Very many of the things are surrounding over the student. But one more thing I would suggest to everyone, please don't compare with yourself, because once I have ever listened one line, that is what people are going to chase you on every stage, right? And failure is part of life, right? And if you ever feel failure, you will be win as a student. One my brother said to me is what, Nidhi, if you have never failed any failure in your life, you have never won as a student. And I also asked that why should I feel failure? Then he said to me is what, if you feel failure, you'll be the one who can understand the meaning of failures, right? So yes everyone, this is the line which every student had to understand. And don't feel harassed, don't feel demotivated, don't feel that everything is around you is going wrong, because one thing and everything is on time, and it is be happening for a time for sure. And I hope this, if this attempt is successful for you, next attempt of yours, so please be prepared for that. And I will not suggest to everyone, and I will not be like a motivational speaker that you have to go with another attempt and this and all, because many of the YouTubers will say this to you for sure. But I will not suggest that this time to you, because these courses are very suffocable for a person, for a student, because money is yours, time is yours, hard work is yours, but result is of destiny. And in hands of destiny, whatever the result will be written, it is for you. But yes, you have to do, and results can change in front of you. So yes everyone, you have to go ahead with this journey. And I am not saying with this journey only, CMA's journey, CS journey, and many of the students who are preparing for another journey, just saying, for example, I am saying NEET, JEE, and whatsoever exams are, SSC, banking, many of the things which is very important for a student. And I am not saying only CA's journey, CA journey, CS journey, means like commerce background journey are very hard, and many of the things which is very hard, as like UPSC result came out, and you can see many of the aspirants were there, but only few are selected. Why? They have their own potential, and this is not the final journey. And if you're preparing for CA, this is not final journey. I'm not a like motivational speaker, but I would suggest that this is not a final journey. This is a journey of starting, you can say. And have you ever listened the quote is, the end is a starting, right? The end is a beginning. So yes, somewhere if it is end, so somewhere it is starting. So yes, it is about all of you, and whosoever has cleared this journey, yours. So whosoever is watching this video after clearing the inter foundation, so congratulations to you, and be prepared for your again final journey, which is going to be very hard. I'm not saying, but very interesting, very affordable, and very hardworking for you. So please be prepared. And this video is for only those students who didn't clear this time. So please, best of luck to you to clear next time, right? So this video is for all of them, and be part of this journey with me as well, as I am your BCom student, BCom BBA students, you can say a friend which guides you with subjects. So yes, please share this journey with me. Like whosoever got successful, not successful, please drop your comment from how much marks you didn't got not successful. And one more thing I would suggest, please don't go on my face, which is very suffocated from this journey as well. So please, to you, all of you, I'm not right now I'm not on the track to speak, but yes, I would suggest to you, please go with this journey, not ahead but go. Thank you. And please share your journey experience. If you are on the track, please share. If not, please share your own journey. If you are NEET aspirant, JEE aspirant, any other SSC aspirant, banking aspirant, UPSC aspirant, C aspirant, CMA, CS, many of the things. If you are, so please share your experience journey. Thank you everyone. Like this video and please share this video to all of your friends.